Look at you.
So cute.
So cute what?
Little pregnant girl.
Ano nagsasabi mo? You just miss me.
Your
You
tummy's
just miss
getting
her.
big. We can
Ano?
buy our little books around here too.
Oh, ayun nga pala. Marami din palang books dito. Ayan o, marami din siyang books. It's Daddy! Good morning, guys! 24 hours duty daddy niya. Hindi niya nakita yung 24 hours. Ay! Nakalak pala, kaya pala. Oh! I forgot it's locked! Babe, come here!
Yeah, I was gonna say, I can't get in.
Hey! Oh, namiss niya daddy niya. Grabe, nag-shot si Kinley.
Oh my goodness.
Grabe pag-shot mo, girl, ah.
Oh my goodness. Oh no, no.
Ganyan yan siya. Maghanap siya ng ibibigay niya sa daddy niya para laruin siya.
Kinsey, kiss it. Hey.
Kiss mo si daddy! Oh, good girl! Aray! I made the chicken.
I like that dress.
Sa ano lang to? Salvation Army. Look at the chicken.
Oh, yummy.
Ginamit ko yung crispy fry ni Ate Jen. Yung ganito. So yun sa Pilipinas. Pero yung ginamit ko yung hindi maanghang. Oh, tonto siya, oh. Wala, ang diliman.
It's okay, calm
Oh, look at you. You miss your daddy so much. You didn't see him for 24 hours.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, she's a good girl. She slept the entire night bed in our bedroom. Because maybe she knew that you're not there.
Yeah, look at you, Spawner. I do you butt cheeks.
Yeah.
Okay, where's your toy? Go
Where's your toy?
Your toy.
I like that candle, babe. It smells really good. Is that your toy? Give it to daddy, dali. Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy.
Okay, you ready? Okay, okay. Did you hear the doorbell ring?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, oh, you're just
May papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Tignan nyo yung new favorite ko. Babe, we need to buy more of these.
Yeah, we do.
We need to buy more. Oh my gosh, grabe. Nag-vacuum ako ng carpet. Tignan mo yung buhok ni
I
Kinsey.
know, it's so... We need to take her out.
Ang bango nito, guys. White Barn, Cinnamon Spice, Vanilla. Yan yung sinasabi ni Travis na dress ko. Ito siya, guys.
Yeah, the floor turned out pretty good.
Ayan ang, ang dilim.
It didn't cover all the
Ayan ang
scratches.
dress. 6 months na tayo. Wait lang. Kita ko dito, mas maliwanag dito. Ha?
It didn't cover all the scratches, but it reduced them. It made them look better.
So I put all of her stuff in here.
I
But the
think
crib, we need to put the crib and we're gonna put the carpet, right? Kasi may scratch yung sahig. Nilagyan niya nito, hardwood.
So it covered it. It didn't make them go away.
Oh.
We need like something that goes from here to here, and then from here to
Ayan yung dress
here.
na nabili ko sa ano. Bakit ang labo yan?
Why don't we just, babe, why don't
Ayan.
we carpet this whole thing?
Ba't parang lit ng tiyan ko dito? 6. Yeah, we can. It's small.
Let me get my tape measure.
Yeah. 6 months na ako, guys. Nabili ko lang to sa ukay. Wala makita nyo na ayos. Ayan. Nabili ko lang yung damit ko sa ukay. Yung kasama ko sa Ate Jen. So, yung mga gamit ni baby, nilagay ko dito, lahat. Ayan, yung mga damit. Pero lalaban ko pa siya. Ayan, yung mga gamit niya. Paunti-unti nilagay namin muna dyan.
I want the whole thing carpeted. That's the case.
Para bago namin i-assemble lahat. Tinanggal na kasi namin yung kama dito, guys, para umpisahan na namin. And dito, hindi namin alam kung lalagyan namin siya ng parang decoration sa wall. Ayan. Tapos tatanggalin ko itong salamin. Pero itong cabinet na to, baka gamitin namin dito. Kinsley, you miss Daddy? I know you miss Daddy. You miss your Daddy? Bibila na lang daw namin ng carpet kasi
9.5 feet.
kasi nga magagasgasan na naman ulit yung ano, yung sahig. Ayan, may mga gasgas.
Let me write it out real quick.
Kasi lalagay namin yung crib niya.
Yeah,
Lalagay namin itong mga ibang gamit. Did you put it in your note?
Yeah.
But it turns out good. What is that? The polish that you put?
Yeah, it worked okay.
Yeah, but it's still gonna scratch the wooden floor if we're gonna put the crib.
We would need like...
Yeah, we need the carpet.
8'9". So if we did, it's hard because normally they come in squares. It'd be like 9.5 feet by 9.5 or 10 by 10. And 10 by 10 will be too big. If we did a 9 by 9, I would say we would be good with an 8.5 by 8.5. It would cover about 95%.
You mean 8.5, 8.5?
Yeah, it would cover most of the room. Otherwise, one side's gonna be. It's not a perfect square.
Yeah.
I'm sure we can find an 8.5 by 8.5.
Okay. Hi guys, grabe yung haba na talaga ng buhok ko. Parang lalong humaba yung buhok ko. Diba? Babe, my hair is very long now.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it long.
Ang ganda na nabili kong dress, parang duster. Sa ukay-ukay lang to siya, guys. Alam mo yun, yung comfy talaga siya. Diba? And 6 months na ako ngayon. Ang bilis din. Grabe. 3 months na lang, mga anak na pala ako. Kasi ang due date ko, March 6. So, baka daw mga February last week, mga anak ako or ganun. Hindi natin alam, diba? So, ang bilis ng pangyayari. Parang kailan lang nung nabuntis ako, parang kailan lang nung ilang weeks pa lang ako. Tapos ngayon, grabe na 6 months na agad. Pero ayan yung babe, yung tiyan natin, oh. Hindi ko alam kung hindi... Siguro lalaki pa siya, no? Kasi may mga nagsasabi maliit pa daw eh. Lalaki pa siguro siya bandang mga 7 months or 8 months bago yung kabuanan ko, siguro lalaki pa siya. And ayun, yung mga symptoms ko ngayong mag 6 months ako is wala talaga masyado. Parang yung energy ko talaga bumalik. Tapos hindi ako masyado ng, alam mo yun, kumakain. Oo, kumakain ako pag gutom ako kasi kailangan nga kailangan ko din uminom ng gamot ko, prenatal. Prenatal lang talaga iniinom ko, guys. Tapos, yung galaw lang talaga ni baby, mas lalong naging hyper siya sa tiyan ko. Yung nararamdaman ko na gumagalaw talaga siya. Tapos, minsan makikita mo sa tiyan mo na pumapadyak siya, minsan umiikot siya. Kasi lumalaki na siya eh. Tapos, bandang mga 32 weeks or 30 weeks, babalik kami sa ultrasound para tawag nito, makita ulit namin si baby and parang remembrance na din, parang meron ulit kaming picture na malaki na siya kaunti kasi nung nakaraan 22 weeks pa lang yun, ano. So, ayun. And ngayon, naghahanap kami ni Travis ng carpet para nga sa, sa tawag nito, sa room ni baby. Para sa room ni baby, para ikabit namin, pag nakuha na namin. Parang gusto mag-ano ni Kindly, babe. I think she wanna go.
Did you bring her out?
Yeah, this morning. She poop and pee.
Like, how early?
Ha? Kahapon si Kinsey lang mag-isa dito, guys. May pasok si Travis, 24 hours. Tapos, ako, may pasok din ako. Gabi na ako nakauwi. Go, pare, dali. Gabi na ako nakauwi kagabi, tapos siya lang mag-isa. Mabait naman yun siya si Kinsey. Basta lagyan mo lang ng harang yung tawag nito. Basta lagyan mo lang ng harang yung couch. Kasi hindi namin siya pinapapatong sa couch. Kaya mabuhok nga siya. So, hindi naman siya pumatong doon. Tapos, hinold niya talaga yung pee niya, yung ihi niya ng mga 8 hours, 7 hours. Tapos, nung pagdating ko, tsaka siya, tawag dito. Oh, tingnan mo. Nandun siya sa likod. Ayan. Tapos mga 8 hours, tsaka siya, yung pagdating ko, tsaka siya umihi.
Tignan mo?
Anong tignan mo? How was work?
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Just gotta stay overnight.
I work today. Yay! May bago na akong kulambo! I have a big kulambo.
I don't need that no more. I'm gonna give it to Kinsley when you're gone.
It's okay, I have a new one.
She's like so much.
She's a good girl. Yeah. You know, I didn't watch her, but I was just standing there, babe, inside the sunroom. I didn't go out with her there in the backyard, but she poop and pee in the back, very back.
Yeah, she good. She should go out there.
Yeah.
Look at her.
Bait naman.
Zoom in on her. She's standing so majestically.
Yeah, wait lang. Wait lang. Aray! Kinsley! Ang laki-laki na ni Kinsley, oh. Gigil, oh. Gigil. Gigil ka.
Oh, look at you, babe.
Look at you.
So cute.
So cute, what?
Little pregnant girl.
Ano nagsasabi mo?
Oh,
you just miss me.
Your
You
tummy's
just miss
getting
her.
big.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Malaki na siya. And
like-
ito rin.
It's like a shelf. It's like a shelf, huh?
Anong shelf?
Yeah.
Yun,
I mean, you know,
6 months? Can you imagine? Only 3 months?
only 3 more months of quiet.
Only 3 months of peaceful life.
Oh man.
Natatawa kay Travis, di ba? Di ba meron, di ba meron kaming bisita yung baby? Tapos binuhat niya si Amelia. Tapos tinaihan siya ni Amelia. Tawa-tawa ako, sabi ni Travis, tinaimingan talaga ako ni Amelia, no? Sa braso ko talaga tumae. Tapos basa pa daw yung tae. Tsaka hindi naman mabaho yung ano nila. May mga times na mabaho siguro. Depende talaga sa kinakain. Ah!
You want to run to Ollie's right now?
Right now?
Well, we have a minute, yeah.
We can.
You don't work till 3. What time you gotta leave?
I'll leave at 2:45.
We have time. Let's see how far it is.
Gusto niya pumunta ng Ollie's. Maghanap daw kami ng carpet, guys. Hi, guys! Punta kami ngayon sa Ollie's. Punta kami sa Ollie's para magtingin ng tawag nito, ng carpet. Oh, ang lamig na ngayon! Kaya nag-jacket ako. Pero nakadress pa rin ako. Kasi saglit lang naman daw kami, no? Sabi niya, saglit lang daw. Mamaya matagalan na naman tayo, Travis, ha? Tagalan na naman tayo. Alright! Tara, punta tayo ng Ollie's, guys. Samahan nyo kami.
A few moments later.
Nasa Ollie's na kami. Grabe, 7 minutes lang pala to sa bahay.
Yeah, right around the corner.
Lapit. Sana hindi mano yung duster ko ba? Hindi na ako nagpalit eh. Sana hindi lipad yung duster. Babe, I hope my ano, because it's windy.
Oh.
Pasok tayo sa Ollie's. Oh my gosh. Hindi na ako nagpalit kay Hassel. Alis din ako mamaya. Palit na naman ako. Punta ako ng work. Ito yung Ollie's, guys. Marami dito mga murang mga gamit. Oh, sorry. Magtitingin lang kami ng carpet. Ayan.
Hey, how much is that?
Tissue?
Oh, that's expensive.
Oh, still.
Not.
For that brand.
Yeah.
Right? Might as well buy the... Oh, marami din silang Christmas, ano... decoration.
For like a gift. Remember? Oh!
What?
Do we need the friend's gift thing for...
You have to ask them. What date is that? Yeah, we have a...
Only $10.
And then if they ask you, where'd you bought it? Ollie's.
99-cent store.
Yeah.
Hey,
Madaming mura dito.
cornhole.
Ayan.
$30.
Oh my gosh.
We should grab. I should grab one of these.
Hala, oh.
$39. That's
Yeah.
cheap.
That's not bad.
Look at red, white, and blue. Mind me, I'm gonna grab one before we leave.
Sige. Kasi ito yung nilalaro namin.
Oh yeah, definitely grabbing that one. I'll grab it.
Pumunta kami dito, guys, nung dati, nung nandito pa yung mama ni Travis. Nagtingin din kami ng carpet. Dito kami nakabili ng parang carpet dun sa may kitchen namin para dun sa tawag nito, sa upuan.
These
Para
are all
hindi
like
siya
little
gasgasan.
portable heaters.
Ngayon, maghanap
See,
ulit
look,
kami
this
ng
is-
carpet.
We can
Ano?
buy our little books around here too.
Oh, ayun nga pala. Marami din palang books dito. Ayan o, marami din siyang books. Nakakatuwa, ang lapit lang namin. 7 minutes lang yung drive. Sabi ni Travis, punta tayo saglit.
Go.
Kasi di ba may pasok ko. Alas 3 pa naman. Alas 12 pa lang naman ngayon.
7 by 12. 8 by 12.
Pakita namin sa inyo mga carpet. Ayan.
Like right here. Ooh, this is big.
That's huge. Kaso lang hindi ko ayoko ng ibang style ng pattern nila. Nagtingin kami sa Amazon, may mura sa Amazon. Maganda rin yung style. Pero sa totoo lang, maraming magaganda din talaga sa Bahrain. Kaya doon kami nakabili ng carpet namin sa sala ay sa Bahrain. Buti nadala namin. What is that?
This is vinyl.
Can we put that in? Oh.
Yeah, you could actually.
Are we planning to put some
6 by 8.
babe? What is that wall decor
Yeah.
The-
What's
for
this
baby
one?
for baby's room?
That's nice. It's a leaf.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's a 7. Is it? 7 by 7'8" by 10. Little.
But it's nice to have a like a grayish color, lighter color.
Yeah, I'm gonna. We need a. Those look like they're too big.
Oh yeah, ayan malalaki
This is too
kasi.
big. This is 9 by 12. This is nice. I wish they had a smaller one. It's an 8 by 12. 12's too big. I need an 8 by 8.
Ang lalaki. Ayan, 89 pesos. 89 pesos. $89 siya dito.
12, 7 by 12.
Hindi ko alam kung merong Alice sa ibang state, pero maganda siyang puntahan kapag meron kayong bibiling kung gusto niyo mga murang gamit. Di naman siya super murang-mura, pero mga discounted ano siya.
I was just looking to see. That's mossy oak. 119.
The size,
We need an 8 by 8.
gusto ko magtingin doon.
Here's a 6 by 9.
That's still not gonna be enough. Parang mas maganda pa mag-order sa Amazon Wala sila masyadong. Nagtingin kami kanina sa Amazon eh. Ito naman makakapal. Ay, maliit lang yung size. You found one? Yeah. Maybe it's better if we order it online.
Yeah, well, we might get more of an exact size.
What about this one? Oh, look at this, babe. What about, I like the color.
No, it's too small.
Oh yeah, it's too small.
But these might. That one looks like it's a little 5.5
What
by
size?
7. I mean, this would work. It would just not fill up the whole room.
5.5?
Yeah.
Oh, I like this style, babe. Pangs. I like this one. The style.
Like that color, that beige color. They had something similar.
Baka sa online na lang kami maghanap, guys. Kaya wala. Wala yung size na hinanap namin. Amazon na lang siguro.
Yeah.
Madami din magagandang style online dito. Kung ano lang yun meron sila, yun lang talaga. Madami naman sana, kaso yung sizes ba? Sizes wala. Daming puro malalaki na.
Is there anything else you want to look at? Want to just take a browse through a minute?
Yeah, we can. Tingin-tingin muna tayo. Oh, nice. Ano to? What is this?
You have plenty of rugs.
Oh, madami na kaming rugs. Hindi kasi ako inantok. Mag-ilip sana ako.
Oh,
Bago pumasok. Oh,
nice.
that's nice. 39 bucks. Dami rin silang pang-camping dito.
Look, babe, we could have just bought this as a high chair. Look, $50.
High chair. You already have high chair.
Hey, here's all the camping stuff.
Yeah. What do we need for next week? May camping kasi kami next week. Ang dami nilang ano, guys. Oh, babe, frame.
Yeah, look at him a minute.
Yeah, for baby. For baby's room. So guys, namimili kami dito ng pwedeng i-decorate sa ano ni Ellie, sa room niya. Ayan, may mga napili na ako. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Hi guys, pauwi na kami. Hindi kami nakabili ng carpet. Mga ibang gamit lang nabili namin, no? Para sa room ni baby. Kasi yung carpet, wala silang size nung hinahanap namin. Tsaka iba yung mga design nila ba. Kaya mag-order na lang kami online. Pauwi na kami, guys. So, yun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!